Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can invite someone to your FPL league. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up your FPL application in your mobile device, or you can go ahead and visit their official website. Once you open the application, log into your account. Once logged in, tap on Fantasy. Inside Fantasy, scroll below, and then under Cups and League, choose the league you have already created or joined where you are the admin. So, inside here, if you are an admin, you will then be able to find an invite friends option on the app or look for a share league code or link option. After that, you have to go ahead and simply copy the unique code or direct link and send it to your friend via WhatsApp, Messenger or email. And then your friends are gonna enter the code under join league, and then inside here they'll have to enter the code that you have sent them. Once you have entered the code, tapping on join a league will then lead you to join your league. And that's it. That is simply how you can invite someone to your FPL league. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.